This Virginia Country Real Estate Incorporated property video is presented by Frank Wingfield. First time on the market. 3 bedrooms, 2-bath ranch located at BELROI. 3 acres with over 200 frontage on BELROI Road. Mature landscaping, multiple outbuildings, including old BELROI upholstery and woodworking shop. Property being sold as is cash or conventional financing. Hardwood floors under carpet. HVAC is an external gas pack system. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Wingfield at 804-642-6126.